Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are in 2019 and this is Ines. Happy New Year everyone. I hope you enjoyed the holidays and all the festivities. So today I'm coming at you with that beautiful hair. This hair was sent to me by Lavy hair and this video is sponsored by them. So I wanted to do a hair type of video for you guys who are asking me a lot about it, and I was trying to upgrade my hair from 2019 and come up with a nicely made closure, and this was the perfect opportunity. So yeah, let me show you a little bit more about that magnificent hair and how I made my first lace frontal. Okay, so this is the excellent bag that the hair came in. It's a kind of a satin bag, like very soft and everything, so I guess it's good for the hair. Inside the bag you get a 22-inch, 20 and 18-inch with the closure. Then you get a little brochure that tell you all about the company and the hair care tips that they are giving you. And since this hair is very affordable, I was very impressed by the texture of the hair. Lavy hair have very soft hair, like by the touch I was very impressed. Even the frontal came pre-plucked. This is the Brazilian straight. All my hair are Brazilian straight and it was amazing. That was my favorite thing. I didn't have to pluck the hair and it looks so natural. There's gonna be more information in the description. So first you're gonna need a wig head, a spandex cap, some T-pins and needle. You'll also need something to take care of your hair. You'll need some thread and a wig block holder. Now I wanted to color my hair in black and also bleach the knot with the powder and the developer. And this is when the real thing began. So I started by mixing everything I needed for the hair. Then I went on to put the color, and I did the same process with all my hair. I let the color sit for about 45 minutes and then I went to wash all the hair. Yeah, I was washing it like very nicely and gently, even the closure and everything. But let me tell you that the color I didn't put enough color, so the black was not as black as I wished, but I know that next time I'll need more than that. Then I went on to bleach the knot with the soften powder and the soften developer. Yeah, now I'm gently putting it on the closure and I left the product on for about 15 minutes. But let me tell you that my closure was not very perfect, but it made what it has to do. At some place I put way too much product and you can see it maybe on the side of the closure, but it was kind of okay. Now I went to put the spandex cap on the wig head and I went to put on the closure when it was dry and secured with T-pins on the sides. I put like maybe around 4 T-pins, and you have to make sure that the closure is actually very flat on the spandex cap. Then I took the needle, like the curved needle with the thread, and I started sewing. Like on the sides I made the sewing extra strong because you want it to be like very tight and very strong. And then I was starting to sew, like after I made it very tight, like the whole side, and I went on to sew like the whole lace with the spandex cap. Yeah, this is by far the longest part of the process because you have to make sure that each sewing that you're doing is clearly and nicely done. Like you don't want anything to break or your lace to not be laid properly, so you need to take your time. Yeah, I was trying to make it like quick, but since it's my first time it took me quite some time. Let's say that it took me like about, let's say, 4 hours. I didn't know it could take that long because I've seen everybody do it like so quick, and I was like, okay, it's gonna be quick for me too. But anyways, now I will start to sew. For my first row I took two pieces and I measured it, then I secured it with T-pins, and I was trying to make like the back kind of thick, because I want my hair to be thick on the back. And yeah, that's why I put on 2 pieces. Then I was sewing again, and you need to make like each point, like each starting point, very strong. For my second row, I'll put again 2 pieces, like 2 row, but after that I will start and put only 1 row. So up until here, after the 2 first row, it was 1 pieces until I get there. But I can tell you, all the effort is well put. Like, I did not regret at all to do all this, because the end result, let me tell you, the end result is magnificent. I was very surprised on how natural it looked. Like, the plucking is perfect, and the hair texture, you guys, is amazing. I know that in the videos that I'm showing you of me, I didn't really like straighten the hair, but I can tell you the softness of this hair is incredible, and I was very, very satisfied with this hair, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. So now I'm gonna be cutting the spandex, and it's gonna be over. You want it to cut like around 1 centimeter away from your lace, and then here's the result. You can see that the cap is very natural. I felt very nice with this hair, so soft to the touch, and you can see that I can pass a comb with no problem. There's no shedding at all. So yeah, Lavy hair did a great job, and I'm glad that I could share this experience with you. Don't forget that all the hair info will be in the description box, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.